came pouring in. 13 dreadful hours, devil wore a grin. So crawled out of the rubble, lesson here was learned. We are people of resilience, and that's a reputation earned. Who'll forget that day in April? Who'll tally up the cows? The wind blew through our homes, those we love were lost. In the wind. Pulled ourselves together, dusted off the boots. Rebuilt Alabama, got nothing else to lose. Thunder rolls again, this time on two wheels. Rolling town to town, it's here to help us heal. Who'll forget that day in April? Who will tally up the cows? Won't be done tomorrow, we know in the end. For Alabama, Alabama, in the wind. Who'll forget that day in